Good morning everyone. We are from Bharati Gupta College of Engineering from Mechanical Department. Myself Omri Yadav.
Myself Kamlesh Siri. Myself Pranav Bane.
So today we are going to explain to you the demonstration model of air conditioner systems. How it works. It has four components. The first one is the compressor, second is condenser, third is capillary tube as the expansion valve, and fourth evaporator. The working of this model will be explained by my teammates in detail.
I will be explaining the principle of every system. The condenser is used to convert the gaseous refrigerant into the liquid refrigerant. The capillary tube is used to drop the pressure of the refrigerant. The evaporator is used to convert the liquid refrigerant into gaseous refrigerant. And the compressor is used to pass on the refrigerant to every cycle. Now the working will be explained by my fellow teammates.
Now I will explain you the working of this model. The compressor compresses the air refrigerant and passes through the condenser, in which the condenser condenses the air refrigerant into the liquid refrigerant, then further passes to the capillary, in which the capillary drops the pressure of the liquid refrigerant and pass through the evaporator. Evaporator converts the liquid refrigerant into air refrigerant, which then drops the temperature of the surrounding. We have used the cooling fan, which passes the air to the evaporator, which cools the surrounding temperature. We will show the working of this model.